Hey, Scott Murray here at Level 5 Tools. I want to talk to you about our welded knife. There's a lot of versions of welded knives in the marketplace, but I can tell you this is the strongest knife by far anywhere in the market. It is patent pending right now because we've got 3 points of control. Not only is it controlled here where the blade goes into the handle, but there's also a structure in the middle of the handle, and then the blade goes past the hang hole. So I've got a curved welded surface here. A curved weld is always stronger than a straight weld, and it's a little wider than any of the competitive models. We've got the internal structure that the blade goes through, and then we go the whole way past the hang hole. The hang hole goes through the blade and then is welded and polished. 17 assembly steps, 9 hand polishing steps to get to this level. Again, we've got a high quality stainless steel blade like we have in all of our knives. We've got a precision polished edge there. You can see the bend is about midpoint here, so we call that a hollow grind. That's going to give you that professional flex on the wall versus flexing up here at the point of attachment. One of the patented features, one of the main features, not patented, but a good feature of Level 5 is that we've got our easy removable labels. So you'll be able to take this label, peel it right off, and get to work without having to burn off the label residue. These come in both a standard and also what we call, our stretch version of knives. So, we ask the question, why is a joint knife always 6 inches long? Well, we made them a couple inches longer, and folks love these for finishers love them for getting behind pipe chases, reaching overhead a little bit farther. You've got the same kind of a grind here and the same kind of high quality construction. So you've got these in both a regular and then what we are calling our stretch versions. These are really both something you should have in your lineup. Both very easy to clean, so if you're a painter, you can throw these in a bucket of mineral spirits at night and pull them out the next day, and they're going to look brand new if you've gotten paint all over them and whatnot. So super easy to clean, very, very robust and strong structure, high quality stainless steel blade. Really, it's the best welded knife in the market. And if you're a barbecue guy, they work great in a flat top grill on the weekend. You're going to love them.